Aster basics. Woof woof! Today, we're going on a doggy adventure to see all the cool things dogs use every day, from their collars to their toys, and even their favorite foods. Let's wag our tails and get started. Walking and outdoor gear. We're getting ready for a doggy day out. Collar. It's like a dog's necklace. It keeps their name tag safe so people know who they are. Leash. A magic rope that keeps dogs close while they explore the world. Harness. A comfy vest that helps dogs walk safely without pulling on their neck. ID tag. A tiny name card dogs wear, just in case they get lost. GPS tracker. A little gadget that helps us find our dog anywhere, like a treasure map. Dog backpack. A mini bag for dogs to carry snacks or toys when hiking. Reflective vest or collar light. A glowing jacket or light so dogs can shine bright at night. Muzzle. A gentle cover for a dog's mouth to keep everyone safe in tricky situations. Dog boots/shoes. Little shoes to protect paws from hot roads or icy snow. Raincoat. A waterproof coat so dogs can splash in the rain without getting soaked. Sweater or winter coat. A cozy jacket to keep dogs warm in chilly weather. Cooling vest or bandana. A special cool wrap for hot summer walks. Feeding and drinking. Time for tasty treats and yummy meals. Food bowl. A special dish where all the yummy kibble goes. Water bowl. A splashy spot for dogs to sip and slurp. Elevated feeder. A tall table for bowls, so big dogs don't have to bend down too much. Slow feeder bowl. A puzzle plate that makes dogs eat slowly so they don't gulp too fast. Travel water bottle. A bottle with a mini bowl for thirsty dogs on the go. Treat pouch. A little bag that holds tasty snacks for training or rewards. Food storage container. A giant jar to keep dog food fresh and crunchy. Automatic feeder. A robot bowl that serves meals even when you're not home. Popular types of dog food. What's on the doggy menu today? Dry kibble. Crunchy bites that are easy to store and tasty to munch. Wet canned food. Soft, juicy meals in a can, smells yummy to dogs. Semi-moist food. Chewy chunks that are in between dry and wet. Raw food diet. Fresh meat, bones, and veggies, just like in the wild. Freeze-dried food. Light, crunchy food that turns soft with water. Dehydrated food. Food that's dried out to keep it fresh, just add water. Fresh cooked meals. Home-style meals made just for dogs. Grain-free food. Kibble without rice or wheat, for dogs with special tummies. Puppy food. Special food for growing pups with lots of extra goodness. Senior dog food. Gentle food for older dogs to keep them strong and happy. Sleeping and comfort. Sweet dreams for our furry friend. Dog bed. A comfy cloud just for dogs to curl up on. Crate or kennel. A cozy den where dogs can rest or travel safely. Blankets. Soft wraps for extra warmth during nap time. Cooling mat. A chill spot for hot days to keep dogs cool. Heating pad, pet safe. A warm hug for dogs on cold days. Grooming and hygiene. Time to get our furry friend clean and fresh. Brush or comb. A hair helper that keeps fur smooth and shiny. De-shedding tool. A magic brush that catches loose fur before it floats all over the house. Nail clippers or nail grinder. Tiny paw scissors to keep nails short and safe. Dog shampoo and conditioner. Bubble time. Makes fur clean, soft, and smell great. Dog wipes. Quick cleanup sheets for muddy paws and dirty faces. Ear cleaning solution. A gentle splash to keep doggy ears fresh and healthy. Toothbrush and dog toothpaste. Brush, brush, brush those teeth for a happy smile. Grooming scissors. Snip, snip. For trimming fur in style. Towels or drying mitts. Fluffy towels to wrap dogs up after a bath. Pet hair remover. A sticky helper that takes fur off clothes and couches. Toys and enrichment. Let's play, wag, and wiggle. Chew toys. Tough toys to nibble on, perfect for busy teeth. Rope toys. Twisty ropes for tug-of-war fun with your furry friend. Squeaky toys. Squeak, squeak. Toys that make funny sounds when bitten. Plush toys. Soft cuddle buddies for nap time or gentle play. Puzzle toys. Brain games for dogs, find the treat, win the snack. Fetch toys, balls, frisbees. Zoom. Toys to chase, catch, and bring back. Tug toys. Pull, pull, pull. A fun game of strength between you and your dog. Snuffle mat. A sniff and search mat for hiding tasty treats. Travel and safety. Ready, set, travel. Car seat cover. A blanket for the back seat to keep it clean from muddy paws. Dog seat belt or harness. A safety belt so dogs ride safely in the car. Travel crate or carrier. A portable den for safe and comfy trips. Booster seat for small dogs. A special seat so tiny pups can see out the window. Collapsible travel bowls. Folding bowls for food and water on the go. Portable playpen. A pop-up yard for dogs to play anywhere. Health and wellness. Keeping our pup happy and healthy. Flea or tick collar. A special collar that keeps tiny bugs away. Dog sunscreen. A lotion to protect short-haired pups from sunburn. First aid kit, pet-friendly. A box of bandages and helpers for little boo-boos. Calming spray or diffuser. A gentle scent to help nervous dogs feel relaxed. Joint support ramps or stairs. Easy steps for older dogs to climb onto beds or couches. Elizabethan collar or e-collar. A big, cone-shaped collar that looks like a lampshade for your dog's head. It stops them from licking or scratching boo-boos so they can heal faster. Not so fun for the dog, but super helpful for their health. Training aids. Time to learn new tricks and good manners. Clicker. A tiny button that makes a click sound to say good job. Training treats. Tiny, tasty rewards for learning something new. Training whistle. A special whistle that only dogs can hear super well. Target stick. A magic stick that shows dogs where to go or what to touch. Indoor training pads or pee pads. A soft spot for puppies to practice potty time. Training bell. A jingle-jangle bell dogs can ring to say, "I need to go outside." And that's it. Now you know all the cool accessories and yummy foods that make a dog's life pawsome. Which one is your dog's favorite? If you had fun, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to Aster Basics for more awesome learning trips. See you next time for more furry fun.